Okay, welcome to our demo of Interzoid's Data Matching Wizard, a powerful browser-based tool designed to find hidden, potentially duplicate data within your data files in just seconds. Using finely tuned matching algorithms, knowledge bases, and AI-powered similarity approaches, the wizard identifies complex matches, such as variations or inconsistencies in company names, individual names, and street addresses that traditional search methods and other approaches often miss. Throughout this video, we will show you how to load your local CSV or TSV files and navigate the step-by-step interface to generate comprehensive match reports without writing a single line of code. You'll see how to customize your matching functions and interpret the results to significantly improve your data quality and data consistency so that everything you do with your important data assets has much greater ROI. Let's dive in and see how the Match Wizard can transform your data management workflow. As you can see here, there are different types of matches that you can do. You can match data based on various company name algorithms, individual names, like James, Jim, Bob, Robert, and all these various nicknames, street addresses and the common inconsistencies that exist there, or you can match data on multiple fields, combination matching, such as is the company name and individual name similar, or is the individual name and street address similar, potentially signifying a match. So here we are at Match Wizard, match-wizard.interzoid.com. This is the actual wizard. And the one prerequisite is you have to have an API key, and you can get that at interzoid.com. That will enable you to run some data. You can get some free trial credits, and then of course there's a pay-as-you-go scenario if you want to do larger volumes of data. We simply click Get Started, and the first thing I have to do is select the matching function. So you can see some of the different options that you have here. I'm going to do a simple one and just do company name matching, meaning I'm going to try to find matches in my file where the company name is similar enough that it's probably the same company or organization. So I click on that, then I click Next. Now I need to browse the CSV or TSV file that I'm going to process. So I simply click here, and I do have a companies file that I can just click on, and when you do that, it'll actually show you the first 5 rows to make sure you know what data is in what column. Now this is just a single column file for demonstration purposes, and you can see in column 1 I've got Snowflake, Google, Microsoft Inc., various spellings of Microsoft and so forth, just to demonstrate how this tool works. And once I've do that, I simply have to tell the tool which column my company name data is in, since that's what I'm matching on. That's pretty easy since this particular file only has one column. And that's it. I'm going to show the similarity keys and only show the matching records. You'll see what the similarity keys are in a second, but those are the actual results of the algorithms that we run that are generated as part of the matching process. And so you'll see that, and that's pretty much it. I get a summary here of the match function, which file, the format, and some various options. And then all I have to do here is run the match. And you can see when that completes, it goes through the file, and through various multiple threads, it processes in parallel. It very quickly identifies which data in that file it thinks is very similar. So you can see Snowflake, Snowflake Inc., Snowflake Corp., and what it does is it appends these similarity keys, these algorithmically generated similarity keys that enable it to recognize that these are indeed the same company. So you can see various variations of Databricks, Data Space Bricks, Google misspelled, Amazon.com, and so forth. These matches are identified by the same similarity key being generated. Now, if you remember in the options, show keys could have easily been no, and it would only show the input records, even if this was 5, 6, 7 columns, whatever the case may be. And so this enables me to identify, and I can save these results. Maybe if I want to show all the records, not the matches, I can write all of these records to another file and then use these similarity keys in some other ways. Lots of different ways and options to make use of these. Here we're just appending them so you can see that the various algorithms and knowledge bases and AI use enables the same key to be generated. And these are deterministic, and the reason why that's important is if these company names were in multiple files, I could use the similarity key as the basis of the match between them. So perhaps I'm pulling specific data from each file. Traditionally, these company names could be spelled differently, and if I use the similarity key as the basis of the match, I'm going to get much higher match rates. And then if I want to do some more, I can go back, I can reset the wizard, and maybe I can do some other types of matching and so forth based on individual name, street address, combinations, and so forth. So that's pretty much it. Just want to give you an idea on how easy it is to start matching data. And of course, these are run on top an underlying API. So if you have your own custom use or you want to generate similarity keys internally or as part of some process, they're all available via API. If you click on API products, you'll get the list of our various data quality and data enrichment related APIs. And again, all you need is a API key that you can get by registering on our site at Interzoid.com. Thanks for watching. Contact us at support@Interzoid.com if you have any questions. Thank you.